In today's video, I'll teach you how to report a buyer on eBay. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in ebay.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of eBay. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to report a buyer, there are basically two things that you can do. First thing that you can do is simply report the buyer from your orders. The second thing that you can do is report the buyer directly through customer service. In order to report the buyer from your orders, click on this option cell that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the seller hub of the eBay. Over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on this option orders that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all of your orders over here. So in order to report a buyer, what you have to do is simply find the specific transaction with the buyer you want to report. Right now, I do not have any such specific transaction, but if you find the transaction, what you have to do is simply click on the option leave feedback from the drop-down menu next to the item. After you do that, choose the option for report buyer. After that, follow the on-screen prompts in order to report the buyer. So like this, you'll be able to report the buyer from your orders. If you want to report the buyer directly through the customer service, what you have to do is simply go to new tab. Now click on the search bar and type in this link spd.ebay.com/RBA seller hub. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be able to report the buyer through the customer service. You can see over here, you'll be able to search for the buyer. You can either search for the buyer via the buyer username, item title, item ID. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you select the option for buyer username, what you have to do is simply click on the search bar that you can see right over here on your screen. Now search for the buyer. You can also find the option for 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Simply click on the option of your choice. After that, click on the search option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the buyer over here. What you have to do is simply click on the buyer that you would like to report. After that, follow the instructions in order to submit your report. You will be asked to provide accurate and truthful details about the violation. Simply provide all the details and the buyer will be reported. So like this, you'll be able to report the buyer directly through the customer service. So that is how you report a buyer on eBay. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.